Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Octafx account must be verified and funded with an amount you can risk. Once done, open the copy trading section and set a clear risk per trade. This protects your balance during drawdowns. Next, use filters to sort traders by net return, max drawdown, consistency, and trade frequency so you can compare apples to apples. Make sure to note minimum copy amounts and commission terms. This prevents surprises when you start copying live. Now you evaluate candidates in detail. Click a trader and review their trade history, risk metrics, and equity curve so you understand how they perform in different markets. Once you pick one, configure the copy settings. Choose either a percentage of the trader's lot size or a fixed dollar allocation to control exposure. Then set risk controls like stop loss, max daily loss, and max trades to prevent blowups. By tailoring these parameters, you balance growth potential with drawdown protection. Finally, you actively monitor the copied account. Check the equity curve, open positions, and margin level at least once a day so small issues don't become losses. If the trader's performance deviates beyond your tolerance, for example more than 10% drawdown, reduce your allocation or pause copying immediately to reassess. If orders fail or slippage is excessive, try lowering trade size. And if problems persist, contact Octafx support. This closes the loop and keeps your capital protected while you learn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.